The science of longevity is advancing rapidly as researchers explore pharmacological interventions that may slow biological aging and extend health span, the number of years individuals live free from chronic disease. While no medication is currently approved specifically for anti-aging in healthy humans, several drug candidates have shown promising results in preclinical research. Among the most studied are rapamycin, sirolimus, metformin, and acarbose. These compounds target fundamental aging pathways, including mTOR signaling, metabolic regulation, and glucose metabolism. Evidence from animal models demonstrates that modulation of these pathways can extend lifespan and improve resilience against age-related diseases, positioning longevity pharmacology as a transformative frontier in modern biomedical research. Rapamycin, an mTOR inhibitor, has produced some of the most consistent lifespan extensions in animal studies, suggesting that regulating cellular growth and nutrient sensing may significantly influence aging processes. Metformin, widely used for type 2 diabetes, improves insulin sensitivity and activates AMPK pathways associated with metabolic health and cellular energy balance, while epidemiological data indicate potential reductions in cardiovascular and cancer risks. Acarbose, which slows carbohydrate digestion and reduces post-meal glucose spikes, may mimic aspects of caloric restriction, one of the most robust longevity interventions known in biology. Despite these promising mechanisms, the translation of such findings into routine clinical use for healthy populations remains uncertain, and ongoing clinical trials aim to determine whether these drugs can safely delay the onset of multiple age-related diseases in humans. Importantly, longevity pharmacology should be approached with scientific caution and ethical responsibility. These drugs carry potential risks, including metabolic disturbances, gastrointestinal effects, or immune suppression, and they should not be used without medical supervision. Current evidence strongly supports lifestyle interventions, such as regular physical activity, balanced nutrition, adequate sleep, and avoidance of harmful habits, as the most reliable methods for extending health span today. The future of longevity medicine will likely combine lifestyle optimization with targeted therapies that address the biological mechanisms of aging itself. As global populations age, responsible research and international collaboration will be essential to translate emerging longevity science into safe, equitable strategies that enhance both lifespan and quality of life worldwide.